are captivating. The clear blue waters deep and wide, where vast marine sanctuaries reside. Explore the wonders of the city, then now is truly the best place to be. Oh, then now, here and now, the most exciting destination. Oh, then now, here and now, truly a pride of our great nation. Dito mo sa Danao, tamang linaw-linaw, city's beauty shines here and now. No other place like Danao. Danao, oh Danao, here and now, ngayon ka mo sa Danao. Danao, oh Danao, here and now, ngayon ka mo sa Danao. Here's some good food for you. In Danao, there's a lot to do. The adventure awaits everyone. The activities bring so much fun. The skilled and talented Danawanos, local products crafted with passion. The beauty and smiles of all the people make the place vibrant and colorful. Explore the wonders of the city, then now is truly the best place to be. Oh, Danao, here and now, the most exciting destination. Oh, Danao, here and now, truly a pride of our great nation. Dito mo sa Danao, tamang linaw-linaw, city's beauty shines here and now. No other place like Danao. Live God's grace, a city flourishes, fast-growing trade and businesses, and more continuous as we soar up high, stronger, united and unified. Extend the beauty of the city, discover its culture, its heritage, it's a treasure, protected by you forever. Oh, Danao, here and now, the most exciting destination. Oh, Danao, here and now, truly a pride of our great nation. Oh, Danao, here and now, the most exciting destination. Oh, Danao, here and now, truly a pride of our great nation. Dito mo sa Danao, tamang linaw-linaw, city's beauty shines here and now. No other place like Danao. Danao, oh Danao, here and now, ngayon ka mo sa Danao. Danao, oh Danao, here and now, ngayon ka mo sa Danao.
Danao City Civic Center. Now, to fully start our program, may I request everyone to rise for the invocation and to remain standing for the singing of the Philippine national anthem, followed by the Suku hymn in the Danao City hymn. name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Please be seated. Yes, maayong gabi, 5th District of Cebu, and maayong gabi, Subo. Now, the big question is, Cebuanos, Subuanos of the 5th District, andam na ba mo? No, the energy is not giving. How about I ask it one more time? 5th District, andam na ba mo? Yes, I believe so. All of us here are ready. But first, allow me to introduce myself. First, I am Jem Baton from the PPSK office of Danao, and it is my great honor to welcome all of you to the Sayaw sa Pagpapahayag District Level Dance Competition in celebration of Cebu Provincial Arts Month 2026. How about we give ourselves a big round of applause? Yes, of course, Karamgamuna, we are not just here to compete, but also to celebrate culture, talent, creativity, and unity in Aami Sausa Kasayaw. Busa, let's feel the energy. Let's support our performers. And most importantly, let's make this evening unforgettable. But before that, of course, let's try to check the energy kung naabang itong mga supporters coming from our participating municipalities and cities in the 5th District. Let's start with Asaman ang mga taga-Linuan. especially our host city. Asaman ang mga Ganawanon! Thank you so much for that energy. As what I said earlier, tonight is a dance competition. And before we officially start, I'm going to have a dance showdown. Allow me first to read to you the guidelines and criteria for judging. The criteria for judging. But before that, let us first get to know our dance jury. The panel of judges who will be using this criteria to choose who among our performers will be the winner for tonight's competition. Starting with, of course, our dance jury number 1. Our dance jury number 1 is a dedicated and award-winning cultural performer with extensive experience in festival competitions, artistic leadership, and international representation. Recognized for excellence in choreography, performance, and cultural advocacy. She has the following festival achievements. Champion of the Batuhan Festival 2024, Southeast Festival 2024, Siling sa Paknaan 2025, first runner-up. Panagtapos sa Mandawi Years 2018 to 2019 participant, Sandugo Festival 2025, o Sam'at Festival 2025. I believe she's also an international performer at the Apple Festival held in South Korea in the year 2019. And she is the artistic director of the following events. Hiyas ng Mantuyong 2023 to 2025, Dato Manto 2025, Lady Mantuyongana 2025, and has participated in various workshops focused on cultural arts, choreography, leadership, and performance excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome our judge number 1, Miss Ninian Siniza. Our judge number 2, with over 15 years of commanding the spotlight, this iconic performer and choreographer has left an undeniable mark on the Philippine entertainment scene. A regular diva of Cebu's premier and number 1 male entertainment bar, Club Valentino. She reigned the stage with charisma, confidence, and couture-level presence. A proud member of the Cebu Performers Association and one of Cebu's most dazzling drag queens. His judge embodies not just artistry, but also excellence and fearless self-expression. She is a true multi-hyphenate dancer, comedian, host, and choreographer. Her versatility, wit, and creative brilliance set the standard for performance perfection. Tonight, she brings glamour, experience, and an uncompromising eye for talent to the panel. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome the one and the only who has the grace, power, and star quality. We have judge number 2, Miss Clyde McQueen Padiete. Our dance jury, of course, we have our judge number 3, a passionate choreographer and dance instructor whose artistry and leadership have shaped champions across the region. He is a multi-awarded best choreographer and champion of the Dinagat Festival of the Municipality of Cordova in years 2005, 2014, 2016, 2023, and 2025. He also led Maricunga National High School to victory as Best Choreographer and Champion of the Lapu-Lapu Debit Night in 2017, 2019, 2022, and 2024. And has served as the choreographer of the two-time Grand Champion of Satsat sa Kalaugan sa Bataan in years 2023 and 2024. Currently, he serves as the in-house choreographer of Cordova Catholic Cooperative School and Marie Ernestine School, Main and North Campus. Beyond dance, he is an accomplished pageant director, having choreographed and directed Mr. and Miss Cordova from 2013 to 2019 and served as a creative director of the Dinagat Festival of the Municipality of Cordova from years 2017 to 2019. Internationally, he represented Team Cordova as choreographer and artistic director in the Dance Exchange held in Jiangsu and Gwangju, South Korea. He is also the creative and artistic director and founder of the Sahib Festival of Barangay Pilipon, Barangay Festival of Marigolon, Lapu-Lapu City, and Kinhason Festival of Punta Inganyo, Lapu-Lapu City. An event organizer and a public servant, he currently serves as the Barangay Councilor of Barangay Pilipon, Cordova, Cebu, and Committee Chairman on Education, Social, Cultural, and Social Services. And with excellence in leadership, creativity, and service, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome the Chairman of the Board. We have the Honorable Jesse Ichibari Noriez. And now let's proceed to the performance guidelines. All of our performers are reminded that their performance must include recognizable Cebuano traditional movements such as folk, ritual, or cultural genres, gestures. Contemporary or modern dance elements is also encouraged. Fusion must be intentional and meaningful and not just decorative. Performance length ranges from 5 to 7 minutes, including the entrance and the exit. Here is the criteria for judging. Cultural integration, that's 30%. Choreography and creativity, that's 25%. Performance and expression, that's 20%. Technique and execution, 15%. And overall impact, 10%, for a total of 100%. And so this time, I believe, dili na yun nato lamay pa because we are all ready to witness how our first performer will set the arena on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, our performer number 1 from the city of Bernal. Once again, 5th District, City of Bernal.
Sa usapan ng mga babae, ang iniwan ang pangalan ng babae. Hinulil lang ang kanilang pangustaya ng mga aso. Wala sila kapulungan sa aso. Pero naasaliban nila ang alam ang ilang puso sa kasalaan ng mga babae. Anak salita, anak salita. Ako ipagkaroon mo ako sa iyong mga kapularan at kasalasan sa mga tumang. Hilas daw ang pinagtawag. ngayon.
Our broadcast tonight, a decline in the Philippine poverty rate in the first half of 2023. But a think tank doubts whether the government survey data actually reflects the real situation for many Filipinos.
Economic and Development Authority Secretary Arsenio Bansa admits the lower poverty incidence in the first half of the year shows a surprise development as inflation spiked to 8.7% in January. He adds that the opening of the economy proves to be a factor as labor market conditions improve.
Pati ang laman ng utak ng mga walang pakialam. Sasakay ka ba sa bansa natin walang patutunuan? Sa mga mga nagpama na yung interesado, pamasahin mo lang, pero bumaba ka na, nag-isip ka pa baka lumagpas sa kapamapunta.
Masyadong malata.
third quarter. Ladies and gentlemen, audience of the 5th District to present as our fourth quarter. Ladies and friends, now please welcome from the municipality of San Juan.
Nico de Cebu.
a rich display of performances here in the dance arena. One more time, atong tagaan sa masipang pakpak, our performers. Grabe, no? This tells us how rich our culture here in Cebu, not just in Cebu, but specifically here in the 5th district is. And this tells us how much effort we have to exert or to put into in order to preserve the culture and the art that we have. But before we proceed to the most awaited moment of tonight's activity, of course, allow me first to thank the people who are responsible in making this event a success. We would like, of course, to thank the Cebu Provincial Youth Development Office through the consultant to the Youth Affairs of the Provincial Office, to the Honorable Governor Pam Balicuatro, and to Ms. Marvin Gorgonio. Let us give them a big round of applause. We would like also to thank the cities and municipalities comprising the 5th District of Cebu, specifically to our participants. We have from the City of Danao, thank you so much. Municipality of Biluan, daghan kayong salamat. Municipality of Compostela, thank you so much. And the same goes to the Municipality of Catmon and Municipality of Carmen. And to those of our member cities and municipalities in the 5th district who were able to give participants, thank you still for showing your effort, your dedication, and your help in making this event, the district level of the Sayaw sa Pagpapahayag Contemporary Dance Competition, a success. Now, at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, allow me, of course, to extend the certificates of appreciation to our dance jury who have shared their efforts, their time, and their expertise in order to choose kung kinsa ang pinakaangayan mo representar sa 5th Distrito ngadto sa provincial level sa Sayaw sa Pagpapahayag 2026. And so, may I request City Councilor Honorable Roland Perez, together with SK Federation President of the City of Danao, Honorable Mel Stephen Batukan, to please be here in front to do the honor of handing over the certificates of appreciation. Allow me first to read the citation of the certificate. Certificate of appreciation is hereby given to for serving as a judge during the Fusion Dance Cultural and Contemporary Dance Competition Sayaw sa Pagpapahayag District Level held on February 21, 2026 at the Danao City Civic Center, Danao, Cebu. Your expertise, fairness, and valuable insights greatly contributed to the success of this event and to the celebration of artistic excellence, creativity, and cultural expression among the youth of Cebu. Your support strengthens our mission of empowering and active, brilliant, thriving, and informed the Kabataan-unang Audi Cebuano. Given this 21st day of February 2026 at the Danao City Civic Center, Danao City, Cebu. Signed by the Governor of the Province of Cebu, Honorable Pamela S. Balicuatro. The first certificate is given to our judge number 1, Miss Ninia Saniza. Let's give her a big round of applause, please. The same certificate of appreciation is also presented to our judge number 2, Miss Prime McQueen Padiete. participation to our participating cities and municipalities. First certificate of participation is presented to the Municipality of Carmen, requesting the LYTO officer together with the SK Federation President, Honorable Hannah Trixie Bihon, if you can please be here in front to get your certificate. Again, any representative from the Municipality of Carmen to receive the certificate of participation. Yes, there they are. The same certificate of participation is also presented to the Municipality of Compostela. Have the SK Federation President and the L1T officer. Another certificate of participation is presented to the Municipality of Patmon. From Patmon, let's move on to another certificate of participation to be given to the Municipality of Luluan. And of course, we would like to extend the certificate of appreciation to our host city, the host of our Sayaw sa Pagpapahayag Contemporary Dance Competition through the presence of our PPSK President. This certificate of appreciation is presented to the local government unit of the city of Danao. Let us give them a big round of applause. Thank you so much, Danao, for hosting this event this evening. And so, of course, at this juncture, while they are still checking the results and tabulating the results, of course, allow me to share to you, by the way, that whosoever shall win the district level competition of the Sayaw sa Pagpapahayag Contemporary Dance Competition 2026 will be representing the 5th district to the provincial level competition, wherein ilang makontra katulang mga mananaog sa nagkalaiyang distrito across the entire province of Cebu. And this is, of course, in line of the Provincial Arts Month 2026 celebration. And by the way, this evening, we will be awarding 2 major awards. And those are the second runner-up and the district level champion. And these, of course, will be selected critically by our judges from the set of Beautiful performances na to alang nakita nila sa tubangan kaganina. I'm sure you there sinatag sa kalipuranan na namoy mga bets kung kinsa yun ang angayan nga mo represent sa district, sa 5th district sa Ginauge. Let's hear your bets to represent the 5th district. Where are you? Isa man ang mo vote for? Compostela! Yes, nakakapon, no? Mga 70%. 70% ba? 100%, of course. Now, how about from the municipality of Liloan? Still 100%. No? Competing with Compostela. Next to Liloan, we have the municipality of Carmen. Oh, kanina, 80%, karon 100% na sila. No? And of course, from the municipality of Hagpon. I'm sure, that's 100% also. And of course, pamilya magiging ang atong host city, City of Danao. Yes. No, Tanan, all of us, we believe all of those performances and presentations deserve yung makalaog. But since this is a competition, there's always a winner and there is always a not so fortunate enough to win. But I would like to, of course, because the results are already here, this is the moment that we've all been waiting for. Performers, to those that is Leon, please know that the moment you step into this dance arena, you are already winners on your own. And so, yes, thank you so much. To award our winners this evening, I would like to request our judges to be here in front, Judge number 1, Judge number 2, and Judge number 3, together with Honorable Roland Perez as representation of the host city, LGU Danao, and our SK Federation presidents present. We have Honorable Philippe Pasaol, Honorable Mel Stephen Batungkan, Honorable Hannah Trixie-Piho, and the rest of the SKF presidents. Apologies if I don't know your names. And of course, we would also like to call all of our performers to be here in front. From performers 1 to performer 5. Again, calling all of our performers kabuati sa tubangan because bisag pili ka mag-claim as winner. This is a shared success for the entire 5th District of Cebu. Again, I am inviting all of our performers to assemble here in the dance arena. And together with our SPF presidents, our city councilor of the city of Danao, and our judges, we would also like to acknowledge the presence of the SK Federation President of the Municipality of Liloan, Honorable Raymond Comentador. Compostela, Honorable Jean Lars Pareja. Assemble yourselves according to your order of performance. So we shall start with performer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these occupy the entire arena, dance arena. the city of Lanao to extend their short message of appreciation and gratitude to our participants, our judges, everyone who worked together to make this event a resounding success. Let us give a big hand to no other than our PPSA President from the City of Lanao, the Honorable Mel Stephen Espina Batucan.
Gikan sa Kabatanunan para sa Kabatanunan. I am Mel Stephen Batucan, the youth representative of the City Council of the City of Lanao. First and foremost, on behalf of our City Mayor, Honorable Ramonita Durano, and our Vice Mayor, Honorable Ivy Durano, dako kaayo namong pasalamat for being here with us. Honestly, Lanao, dili na siya ang host sa 5th District, but there are circumstances that we need to understand. So, here in Lanao, we always welcome people. And true enough, Mayor Lito would always tell us that when one needs our help, we need to always extend a helping hand. And true enough, the 5th District is our family. So the very moment that they needed our help, we acted upon and we are here now. Never have we ever thought that it will be in Lanao. Truly, it is a breath of fresh air. So, gikan sa kanatibukan sa among kasing-kasing, daghan kaayong salamat, and I hope in one way or another we were able to transcend to each one of you the hospitality of every Kabatanunang Danawanan and our warmth to every visitors that come to visit Lanao. And I hope that this will not be the first and last time that you will visit Lanao. I hope you will come back and let us know how we can help you and how we can tour you around. And to our performers, daghan kayong salamat and good luck. Truly, if kung kinsa may mapilian, they will represent the 5th District to the best of their ability. Sa mga usapan, daghan kayong salamat at lagi-lagi para sa kabataan ng bayan.
Thank you so much, Honorable Mel Stephen Batucan. Now, may I request our judges, our City Councilor, our PPSA President to please locate yourselves at the center of our venue. Yes, please be there on the center. As together, you will be awarded our winners. And now, the moment we've been waiting for is finally here. The announcement of our winners. And we will begin with our second runner-up. Second placer. Or shall I say in the certificate, that's the first placer. To receive a certificate and a trophy, our first runner-up goes to congratulations, Municipality of Compostela! and Liloan. And the winner shall represent the 5th District of Cebu in the provincial level competition. And the 5th District level champion of Sayaw sa Magpapahayag 2026 is no other than congratulations, Municipality of Liloan! And to Pakwan, Harman, and Canal City, thank you so much for sharing